Welcome to solverfy.
(29.46). We're asked why do you have more apparent interference colors from thin films than for thick films? You could think of something like a sheet of glass as being an especially thick film, but you generally don't notice any sort of iridescence or colors from just a plain piece of glass, even though it's a film of transparent material that's reflective. And the reason for this is that if all materials, even transparent ones, absorb light to some degree, and the amount of light that's absorbed is going to be related to how much material your beam of light has to go through. And so you'll get more attenuation for a thin film than for a thicker film. Because if the part of the light that's reflected from the bottom surface has a very low amplitude, it's not going to interfere very much with the one that's reflected from the top surface. Try a little lower. So it may well be that there's various wavelengths at which you get this sort of cancellation, but because one of the reflected rays has a much smaller amplitude than the other, you're not getting enough destructive interference for it to have a noticeable effect.